I think we faced the game like we should do. It was a derby. We had this conscious since from the start of the group. We worked to play with the importance that this game must do. Okay. Of course, beside that, we came from a default. And then this result at home was so important for us. Of course, the game, like we did, is to me is very important because the players show me that they are understanding the process. But we must know, even when we was defeated, it doesn't mean that we are so bad. But when we win like this, it doesn't mean that we are so good. We must understand that. We must understand have balance now, and think the next game. Okay? We are just starting a process, and today the players did their best, and I think the congratulations is all for them.
oktana.id, ada tanpa putus.